Best compact LED headlight bulbs deliver brighter visibility, energy efficiency, longer lifespan, and safer nighttime driving in all weather conditions. My today's video is about top 5 best compact LED headlight bulbs for cars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Termite latest H11/H9 LED bulbs. The Termite H11/H9 LED driving light bulbs deliver a serious upgrade for nighttime visibility. Thanks to their ultra-slim 0.03-inch chip design, they create an exceptionally focused beam pattern that closely mimics factory halogen alignment while dramatically improving clarity. The result is a wide, evenly distributed light output with no dark spots or harsh glare for oncoming drivers. With an astonishing 900% brightness increase and up to 50,000 lumens per set at 6,500 K, these bulbs provide crisp, daylight-like illumination that significantly improves reaction time and road awareness. The true 1:1 mini design ensures a seamless fit inside most housings, making installation straightforward without bulky external drivers. Built from aviation-grade aluminum with a copper baseboard and a high-speed cooling fan, they offer outstanding heat dissipation and an impressive 70,000+ hour lifespan. Enhanced linear decoding technology ensures 98% vehicle compatibility, minimizing flickering and dashboard errors for a smooth plug-and-play experience. Now our second product is Termite upgraded H11/9005 light bulbs. These H11/H9/H8 and 9005/HB3 LED headlight bulbs are engineered for drivers who demand maximum visibility without compromising safety. The precision-calibrated beam pattern features a sharp cutoff line that prevents glare for oncoming traffic, while the ultra-thin chip layout eliminates dark spots and shadowing. Whether driving in fog, rain, or on dim rural roads, the expanded and focused beam helps you detect pedestrians, potholes, and sudden obstacles much earlier, delivering an impressive 1,200% increase in brightness and up to 100,000 lumens of crisp 6,500 K cool white light. This combo dramatically outperforms standard halogens. Despite the power boost, the true 1:1 mini size ensures effortless plug-and-play installation in just minutes. No bulky drivers or fragile plastic connectors. Built from aviation-grade aluminum with a large copper heat sink and a 15,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan, these bulbs promise up to 85,000 hours of lifespan. Intelligent IC drivers ensure 99% compatibility with minimal flickering or error codes. Our third product is Auxbeam H11 LED bulbs. The Auxbeam Q12 series H11 bulbs deliver a dramatic upgrade over standard halogen lighting. Powered by high-quality 8 CSP chips that rival 12 CSP performance, they produce up to 900% more brightness while maintaining a crisp 6,500 K cool white output. The result is stronger light penetration and clearer visibility, especially during dark highways or heavy rain. What truly stands out is the advanced 1:1 halogen beam design. The 0.039-inch ultra-thin copper board ensures a precise, uniform beam pattern with 360 degrees illumination and no dark spots. You get enhanced road coverage without creating glare that disturbs oncoming drivers. Durability is another major advantage. Built with a full aviation-grade aluminum body and optimized copper heat dissipation, these bulbs last over 60,000 hours, reducing replacement frequency. Installation is effortless thanks to the compact plug-and-play design with no bulky drivers. With 99% vehicle compatibility, they offer a reliable, error-free lighting solution for most cars. Now number 4, Foreign Upgraded Light Bulbs Combo. The Foreign H11/H9/H8 and 9005/HB3 light kits represent a major leap in automotive lighting performance. Their upgraded design features an ultra-thin 0.03-inch chip profile, producing a perfectly focused beam with a sharp cutoff line that eliminates glare for oncoming traffic. The result is a wide, evenly illuminated view with no dark spots or shadows, greatly enhancing nighttime safety and hazard detection. Boasting 1,200% more brightness than standard bulbs, these kits deliver a crisp, daylight-like 6,500K illumination, expanding your field of vision and improving reaction times in any driving condition. The true 1:1 mini design ensures hassle-free installation without bulky bases or extra drivers, fitting seamlessly into most lamp housings with durable, non-plastic connectors. Durability is exceptional. Built with aviation-grade aluminum, a large copper baseboard, and a 15,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan, these bulbs last over 60,000 hours, more than a decade of reliable use. With upgraded linear decoding and sane bus-ready technology, Farin ensures 99% plus vehicle compatibility, error-free operation, and zero flicker, making them a top-tier choice for safe, high-performance lighting. And our last choice is Headlight Fog Lights Combo. The Headlight S2, S9000, and 5H11 light bulbs redefine nighttime, driving safety and visibility. Delivering 100,000 lumens of crisp 6,500K cool white light with radiating distances up to 1,500 feet. These bulbs provide an expansive, clear view of the road ahead. High-speed cooling fans and single copper tubes maintain low operating temperatures, ensuring stable performance and an impressive lifespan of over 70,000 hours. Their advanced 0.05-inch ultra-thin copper substrate creates a precise beam pattern that eliminates flickering, dimming, and glare, protecting oncoming drivers while enhancing your safety. With a lightning-fast 0.1-second response time, these bulbs illuminate instantly, removing blind spots and ensuring seamless transitions during night or foggy conditions. The 1:1 mini design guarantees effortless installation with no external drivers or complex wiring. Just plug and play, perfectly matching factory housings and connectors. Optimized for 99% of vehicles, Headlight bulbs minimize sane bus errors, flickering, and radio interference, making them a reliable, high-performance choice for any driver seeking superior illumination and safer road conditions. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.